This is the 2022 Avalanche by Kingston. It has the 4 slide outs. Has 2 doors because it's 2 bedrooms. I have to get back here to show you the rear door. I'm going to walk around a little bit of mud here, so forgive me. So we have a roof access ladder, and there's a door for your back bedroom, which I'll show you in just 1 second. This unit has 3 AC units, total 28,500 BTU. The model number on this is 390DS. And we'll go inside real quick. So we enter into the kitchen area. Full-size refrigerator freezer with an ice maker. 3-burner stove, conventional oven, microwave, large screen television, electric fireplace heater, sits right across from your 2 recliners. Down here is your rear entry bedroom. And it has a full bath back here. Toilet, sink, medicine cabinet, and shower. Go back into the living area. Above this room is an area, I think you can see this. You can easily get a queen size bed up here for more sleeping areas. It has the island kitchen, double stainless steel sink, dinette table and chairs. I mentioned it has the ice maker, which I always find very convenient. Vinyl flooring throughout. Here's 2 of your AC controls. Go to the bedroom. A little bit larger bed back here. There's your 3rd control unit for your AC. Just the master bath. Shower with built-in seat. Sink, medicine cabinet. And then this one has the television in the bedroom. So we've got 2 televisions. One in the living area, one in the bedroom. Another nice feature, it is already plumbed for a washer and dryer if you want to install one. Walk back through real quick. Oh, we also have a ceiling fan in the living area. I failed to mention that. Very nice having this 2nd bedroom. It shuts off by itself, completely private, with its own bath. And this is the 2022 Avalanche by Kingston.